Saif Ali Khan is super excited about becoming a quad father, as his sister referred to him. The actor, who recently spent a month at the Pataudi Palace with his wife Kareena and son Taimur, shared कि उनका सपना है कि वो अपनी बेगम और बच्चों के साथ अपने खानदानी घर में और टाइम स्पेंड करें. Saif Ali Khan is going through an interesting phase in his career where he is experimenting with different roles both on the big screen and with web series on OTT platforms. After the success of Tanaji and Jawani Janeman, the suave and stylish Saif is enjoying his newfound versatility as an actor. The Nawab is also gearing up to be father yet again and seems to be making plans about what their future as a family could look like. Check it out. Saif has seen many ups and downs in his career, and after getting much success as a rom-com star in the late 90s and early 2000s, the actor went through a major dip in his career where successive films did not work and put a question mark on his career. But after a successful web series and the success of 2 films at the box office, where he played villain in one and hero in another, Saif seems to be back in the game. Things are looking up not just on the work front, but also the home front, and the actor is all set to become a father again. With wife Kareena expecting their second child early next year. Saif, who was in Delhi recently with Kareena and Taimur while she filmed for Lal Singh Chaddha, and he relaxed with Taimur at his family palace, has shared in an interview that he is ecstatic about becoming a father again. The actor's elder 2 kids, Sara and Ibrahim, are now adults, while little Taimur is all set to turn 3 soon. Speaking about the good news, Saif said, "Amazing, I can't wait. This is the best age to bring up kids. When you are more settled, you have lots of time and patience for them apart from love. And for me, there's nothing better than waking up in my country home and spending a Sunday reading in a large bed, surrounded by my wife, kids and dogs." But does that mean that the family will be spending more time at his family's Pataudi Palace? Well, looks like that may be a possibility, क्योंकि Saif के साथ-साथ Taimur has also fallen in love with the outdoor space and natural beauty there. Saif shared that he can see himself living at the palace and enjoying cooking, swimming and gardening with his wife and kids, while also having their family and friends over and spending time with them. "It's what I have been doing for the longest time, and we have an apartment in Mumbai so we can fly out there for work. We just need some good schools around." But given all the work the two have lined up in the months to come, including high-profile projects like Adipurush, where Saif plays the antagonist Lankesh, it seems like फिलहाल दिल्ली दूर है Saif और Bebo के लिए, or at least we hope so.